guys, magpapak tayo and bubunot tayo. And this is my new video. So, mag-alcohol muna tayo guys. And, okay. So, let's English na lang guys. Baka may fans tayo dyan na Englishera or Englishera. So, let's go start guys. So, first, let's speak in the box in here. I mean organizer. And let's pick some letters. Okay, so I want to pick this because it look like interest. Okay, so braces, braces or braces. Okay, braces, 10 cards, guys, 10 cards. Okay, so let's pack this. 10 photo cards. So she didn't order anything but he only ordered some photo cards. So yan. Let's jumble raffle it so we then see what she's going to buy. Okay, so let's pick 10. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have only 9 photo cards though. I'm going order, so I going to only the one color card is only this marker please. So forgive me that. Okay, so marker na lang. Marker cause I don't have some card. Your one card is going to the marker now because I'm so broke. Cause guys, please can you give me guys some photo cards so I have some packings and let's see. So he got photo card had some baby monster Oreos. So first he got it's Rora guys. See Rora. This do you know this guys? It's Rora from the baby monsters. So she got and Sheena Beanie siya guys. Beanie Sheena guys, and this is from the Philippines photo card guys, and there's some K-pop group and Star Kids. I don't know his name, but it's from the Star Kids. So next is another Star Kids, but they're good, and a random person in the Sanrio characters, and another random in the Sanrio characters, the little twin stars. They put it in the box. And next is Sanrio, my melody. My melody, guys. So next is Hello Kitty siya. Hello Kitty. It's jump. It's Hello Kitty photo card and Sanrio characters. So next is Beanie Gwen. So that is from the Philippines K-pop group. So my country is Philippines, guys, and I want to show you how to English because I maybe some have some viewers that speaks that English, yeah. So I want to English. So like for if you want to do the saving challenge, guys. So this is okay. So let's give him some freebies. Only 3. So I want to give him some squishy. Only 1. They're so cute. And another. Maybe she like purple. Maybe some markers. And the last I want to give him is a random toy, and I want to give him some bracelet. So we're going to pack this, guys, and let's put it some alcohol. So there. So that's only for today's guys, and remember, this is only a fake order. Bye bye guys, see you tomorrow for the next vlog.